Problem will be type 8 on instantaneous velocity and acceleration. What is instantaneous velocity or acceleration? Instantaneous means at any time. That means this is x stands for displacement or distance, t is time. So if this time and this distance relate like this, then I can find the velocity acceleration or velocity of acceleration at any time. Suppose t equals t 1 second, in 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 2.5 second, like this. So such velocity is called instantaneous velocity, and accelerations are called instantaneous acceleration. The definition is not important. The most important part is its problem, the problem itself. The problem is the problem itself. Adik chết rồi. Problem in problem later on. So instantaneous velocity v the formula lâu xin xíu là instantaneous velocity is dx by dt. Cái differentiation này, velocity to distance by time này, distance by time. Hey, distance này. Now, but here x stands for distance cái đó cả. X by t, x by t cái đó thôi tại hiện. X by t là như thôi. So if I add d stands for any particular value or any small value differentiate na. Kakanita set. So acceleration kan ti kha. Om le ta acceleration a chuan a equal to acceleration to rate of change of velocity. So one rate of change of velocity. Change to dv to change na. Rate means divided by time. Here then to keep me the padi chowi to na kan man tur chuni. Kilo chin sia. Oh. So I solve number 29. Only 29. Here root over x equal to t plus 9 gives the variation of displacement with time at the end. And it's one if I square both sides. Let me write like this. If I square both sides, x equals t plus 9 whole square. Hey, a plus b whole square kan ta, and it's why hey t square plus 2 9 and even 2ab near, that is 80 t plus 81 thì hai ta hey x. So in velocity can go on. I have a question here. So that the acceleration of the particle is constant. Acceleration is constant. So you can go on. Tayo acceleration formula tayo kan dutok lagu do tak dia. V value ka sudah lihat. So v is d by d, dx by dt kan sata. Ani chuan zero zo kan v value ka data ila v dt kan ita chun v value. If I put v value from here, I'll get dx by dt equals d là t juga multiply dengan d2 di root square na win d2 by multiply nga tayo dt square ani thua. Kiki acceleration thoni. So mi om zia chu like 2 means I'll differentiate x 2 times. And it's 2 times can differentiate. Hey, equation kakanita 29. If I differentiate 2 times, I'll get acceleration of this particle. So on, and it's one in void and differentiating them. Void here can differentiate d by dx dx equals dt dt nya x ka differentiate with respect to time ani so with respect to time ani t ni ta ka differentiate nga ani chuan 2t 2t lo chua ka direct te don in thiam lo chuan video ma sa tem ka lo en ro chuan 18t ki ka differentiate le nga 81 differentiate ka chu constant it has no difference 81 is always 81 in the morning in the evening in the afternoon it's always 81 at midnight also 81 so wangin a change ka ani lo wa zero change ne ki khan ka nei ta ne hei hi v a chan chu nga tinge kha v ani kan ti chuan hei v ni kan ti chu d by dx by dt ka zom wangan hei ti chuan in tu na acceleration kan zong le to nga acceleration so hemi voi ka differentiate le mo v voi ka differentiate le kan me ai na renga dv by dt or equal to d2x by dt square what kito like 2 to square lo d2x by dt square like 2 stands for how many times I have to differentiate so I need to differentiate 2 times so this will be 2 and d2 is not square and it's on v value he can v value nita differentiate lesson I only get 2 the hey 2 it has no t so 18 is constant it's a pure number so it's constant so the question says that to show that the acceleration of the particle is constant so 2 is a pure number so it's constant 2 is constant so the question is proved the question is already proved like this because the chun zob to rani in low tiletan ama ka soi tong khan ti tamangai ka ti to kha in zia tamangai a in soft tamangai a ka pe lo le en mo wang lo in soft tam phim ka a tha to wangin number 30 hi kan tinga chuan nang manin 31 in tilenga ain ang renga adang lam chung lo ngai ke karap le thilo wa poila chuan 30 kan en chuan 30 lam hi lo en ta ula 30 lam ke en chuan in x a b t square ani 31 en le ta 31 equation chu kini tumi na na do ro wangin zong thenga ma se ta chon squaring both side ti betung lai v square ve to thung lo trai chim don ya chuan x e nge zon tur what is the average velocity between t2 and t4 atia what is the and in second what is the velocity at t0 and t2 kasong potang t0 and t2 kan zon don velocity ni so let me differentiate hemi ko se kan differentiate ya so v kan zon ho thei me don ta cho v equals dx by dt kan ti khania kita kan zia to kha dx by dt equal to dx su he kan ita and dA by let me differentiate separately plus like a differentiate so I have the second term bt square can differentiate yeah b is constant so I can take outside the differentiation dt square by dt so if a is constant it it doesn't change with time. It changes with time. Time kada. So the first term will be 0 plus dt square 2 kan differentiate to 2 bt. Cái differentiate đánh thiểm đầu chuan masalam kan zir masaber te pola kan unit 1 kami mathematical tool so kan zir log table te kan zir kan kon da to thawa chuan in lo en le donia in lo chuan in itu ba link ron da kan kada vek chuan kan zon question to at t0 le t2 v tayan v equal to t0 if t0 means t0 nita and so on, the whole will be 0 and so 2 multiplied 2 b into 0 to 0 at t0 means this t becomes 0 so on in helma n le tai la pakata kan n le so on in at t2 ti le ta t2 a chuan n tai la t2 a chuan v equal to v2 ti log me ngat khan at le ta po v0 do me la poi chon la chuan 2 b gen zani constant kan nei le b kha constant value ro he b 2.5 ania tro 2.5 ania a ka 8.5 ania ani chuan hi 2.5 into 2 hey multiply on 10 ania 10 meter per second ya tir pe ka 0 ban nei to chuan 10 meter per second kan nei le to ta chuan t4 ani hey t2 chu tu kan zong sa ta he anh ren ta t4 kan zong liang that is v4 v4 to 2 into 2bt kan ta he 2bt b is 2.5 so 4 for t is 4 there is 4 hey 2.5 and 2.8 logo boy sa thì kan tu ke me hey 20 nia so I have to find average this velocity between t2 and t4 that means I'll add these two and divide it by 2 so I'll get 15 add these two and divided by 2 thì kan xem mấy đó so 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15 thì khan kan nei mấy ta ne ta khan kha ka du to ko nga du le nang mani in lo 45 kha lo ti ve chin ta ula 45 kha ka te 31 lo ti nga ti han answer di ko answer ti chua thei da to ka in lo endonium so 31 he karina hema solution om karinga lo mutir zo yang chunga mi le khabun nei lo ten lom ta kin 31 chu eta tan ron chana ta hina to lo screenshot soi mi donia ti chuan lo ti leng he chu he por sak pe ngai lo ma se lo ti rim ro acha ti du to